Greetings, students, and welcome to week 4. So we really are proceeding quite quickly with your project. We're almost halfway through the semester. I know it's kind of crazy. So this week we're actually kind of getting to the meat. We're getting to the meat of our project here a little bit more, right? We're actually going to be working on a draft of your campaign proposal. So we're actually kind of putting some things down on paper. We're actually doing a lot more thought-provoking brainstorming kind of things this week than the kind of monotonous but necessary source collection and all of that kind of stuff that we've been doing previously. So this week, big stuff that we're going to be working on is your awareness campaign proposal draft. Now, this is a draft. The whole point of a draft is to get feedback and to improve upon it and all of those things. So, think about this as brainstorming. This is not your final anything. And it's certainly not being graded on grammar, so that's not the point of this at all. So we're going to be working on that draft. We're also going to be working on adding to the qualitative data collection questions that we started last week. So last week we developed those questions. This week we're going to be working on a plan to distribute those questions. And we're also going to be discussing with each other in an anonymous forum how we're interpreting those qualitative questions, right? So we're starting to get into the nitty-gritty a little bit more here. So big things this week that are happening is we have the draft that'll be due this week. There is a template. Please use the template. If you do not use the template, you will lose points, and that's bad. Nobody wants to lose points. Template's in the thing down there, I promise. So you're going to be submitting your campaign proposal draft. You're going to be submitting your qualitative data collection plan in the little gizmo that I had set up for that. And then we're also going to be doing the discussion board post where we utilize those qualitative discussion questions you came up with last week to discuss the things that you're researching with your peers this week. All right, well, I'll leave you guys to Dr. Stuckey, and I will see you next week.